one or two-room house. Dutch middle-class settlers lived in houses sideways to the street. They are like the ones in Holland, although I've never been there. My job is a hatter. I quite like it. I take measurements every day, making hats of every color and size. I help people keep the sun out of their eyes by making a hat for everyone in Boston. I have a brother, a sister, a mother and father, aunt and uncle. They all live with me. In my house is 7 humans. Life in this house is dire. Taxes on colonies is fine with me, as long as the king gets the tax money. The taxes aren't crazy or expensive, just the way a colonist likes it. England is fine, mighty fine. I love the King of England. There are too many taxes on colonists. Everyone is losing their money. The rich are approaching poor. England should only put one tax on colonists. The Tea Act is outrageous. It is causing war. My hopes for the future, you ask? Well, I hope life will be better than this. I hope that the colonies will become one. Maybe the colonies will be able to govern themselves. I hope I can see the war stop. That would be great.